Hello all, welcome back to the channel. It's Kat, and you're wondering why I'm holding this towel, huh? Well, we're going to do some wall washing today, and that washing is actually going to help you stretch your shoulders and strengthen your shoulders and your arms and your back. So let's get to it, and we'll have a little stretch and a strengthen break. So all you need is a little towel, or you can use a ball, squishy ball, and roll it up and down. But this works great on a smooth surface. So you can go to a door or wall if it slides. And we're just gonna slide up our towel as high as we can get it. And I'm about a foot away from the door, and I'm gonna walk in as I get my arms going up. I'm walking in a little closer, oh yeah. And just hold it for about 2 seconds and down, shoulder height. And then go up. You can look the other way, stretch your neck. See if we can get 10 of these. And 3. And just go up as high as you're comfortable. 4. You may have a little shake at the top. That means you need it. 5. So that means you need to strengthen your shoulders more. And 6, and stretch. And 7. And 8. And keep your arms straight as you're going up. And 9. Yeah, so keep them straight, moving from the shoulders. 10. Oh yeah, that was good. How we do? All right, so let's angle it, shall we? So you're standing to the side of your door. I'm about a foot away or a little less. And your hand is right there at your side. It's at my shoulder. I'm gonna push it forward at an angle and up. Okay, so you do it out and pull down to start position. So that's 3. Let's go for 20. 4, and you don't have to go this fast. You can go much slower. All right. 6. I better count. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10 to go. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. You feeling it yet? 3. Ooh, yeah. And 2. Last one. 1. All right. Well, I can't leave you hanging. We got to do the other arm. All right. So let's do the other arm. Turn. And hi, Papa. All right. We're going to push it up. Here we go. Follow me from this side. And 2. 3. And 4. Yep, straight out. 5. 6. You may hear some cracking noises. 7. 8. 9. Oh yeah. 10. 10 to go. Come on, you can do it. 10. 9. So I'm pushing it straight up at an angle. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. And 3. Last 2. And 1 more. Woo-hoo, yay. All right, a little treat. Let's get a little stretch here. Push forward, get those boxing muscles. Press and pull back. press and pull back. Press out, pull back. All right, shake that off. Good job. I will see you in the next video.